Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RC Power. Today we just got in the mail our RedcatRacing Volcano Epx. This is the brushed version, and we're going to do an unboxing for you. And we'll get started right now. Just going to cut this tape. Okay, here we go. Got the Volcano Epx. Now this is the brushed version, as I said, ready to run out of the box. Has waterproof electronics. It's ready to run, like I said. Comes with a 2.4 gigahertz radio system. And the main reason I bought this truck is because it's four-wheel drive. Now let's get to the part we've all been waiting for. The actual truck. Inside the package, looks like we have our transmitter here. .4 gigahertz transmitter. Got your trims up here, your bind button, your inversions, on off switch. Nice feeling what's it called? Nice feeling wheel there to steer. It takes 8 AA batteries, not 4. Put that up here. Also comes, get that out. Okay, take this out. Also comes with a wall charger in the box, so you can charge your battery. It is pretty slow. It's a pretty slow charger. I suggest upgrading it to a faster charger if you want to run it at a decent time. You also get upgrades. What's it called? You also get an upgrade sheet, antenna tube, bind key, some shock spacers, a parts list, and exploded views in there. And now for the main part. Truck itself. Okay, now here's our 4x4 truck. It's got a nice suspension setup on it. I like the body. From just first glance, it's got some different tires on it than the picture had. It's got a new front bumper design. The body no longer goes over the bumper, but behind the bumper, so you're not going to crack up your body. It's got a new rear bumper as well that goes out from the body and not inside the body. We'll take this off. On the inside we have our purple aluminum capped shocks, our radio tray, comes with an 1800 milliamp battery, nickel metal hydride, 7.2 volts, not that bad, kind of slow. Comes with our brushed motor, which is a 55 size cam, our ESC here, which is waterproof, so it says, 2.4 gigahertz receiver, a hex fly steering servo, pretty nice. Now I plan on doing a lot of upgrades to this truck. I plan on putting a castle system in it, and also right off the bat I'm going to put in a Traxxas waterproof receiver box, because I don't believe that this receiver is waterproof. So that's something I really suggest doing if you want to get it wet and have fun with it. And I plan on just mounting it to this radio tray here. There's also going to be a lot of running videos on it. I plan on making a lot of those. And I'm going to get a lot of aluminum upgrades for it. I plan on doing the hub carriers, caster blocks, A-arms, maybe some shock towers too. I also plan on getting some ball bearings in here to help the tires spin a little bit, tighten the wheels down a little bit more, because it comes with bushings inside. It does come with a plastic spur gear as well, metal pinion. The differentials are all metal, so you don't have to worry about stripping those out. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put the truck on my scale to see how much it weighs, and I'm also going to do that after I get all my aluminum upgrades to see how much it weighs. This is without the battery, and it is coming in at about almost 5 pounds. So I'll show you what the truck weighs after it's had all its aluminum upgrades and maybe a brushless system in it. So yeah, tune in for that, guys.